Temptation does not arrive looking like destruction. It arrives looking like relief, a little comfort, a little escape, a little secret that your flesh says, God will understand. But hear me carefully. Temptation is not just after your body, it is after your allegiance. Because every temptation asks one question: who is really your king? And today, I want to show you 3 ways to defeat temptation before it defeats your focus. 1. Expose it quickly. Temptation grows in secrecy. The longer you hide it, the stronger it speaks. So bring it into the light. Tell God honestly. Ask for help quickly. Do not negotiate with darkness in private, because what stays hidden keeps ruling. 2. Cut the access. You cannot defeat temptation while feeding the door it keeps using. Delete the app, leave the conversation, stop going back to the place where your flesh keeps winning. Jesus did not say play with sin. He said flee. Because sometimes victory is not staying to fight. Sometimes victory is running toward the king. 3. Feed the spirit. You cannot starve temptation if your spirit is empty. Pray, open the word, worship, fast if you need to. Because the flesh gets loud when the spirit is weak, but when your spirit is full, temptation loses its throne. Matthew 26:41 says, "Watch and pray so that you will not fall into temptation." The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. So expose it, cut the access, feed the spirit. And if you need help starting with fasting, we created a free fasting guide to help you quiet the flesh and strengthen your spirit. You can get it through the link in the bio or the pinned comment. This is not religion. This is kingdom training. And let me ask you something. Which one do you need most right now? Expose it, cut the access, or feed the spirit? Type it in the comments, because someone reading may realize they are not fighting alone. Do not let temptation steal your crown. You belong to another kingdom. You serve another king. Jesus is king. And if you want to go deeper, watch the video on the screen right now.